Welcome back to Andy's Road Trip. Today we're on number 4. This Massey Harris Tractor is NOS, which stands for New Old Stock. The box is pristine, absolutely perfect, very crisp. The vehicle has never been used. It is in C10 condition. In the diecast community, we do evaluate the cars, and when they're being sold, especially, condition's extremely important. C8 is about, 80%, and a 9, 90%. And, it goes down to zeros and ones, but stay away from those. But today's example, again, brand new. I know that mine was issued in 1957 because it does not have the fenders. And also, if we look at the base, which it doesn't really have a base, but if we look underneath, stamped in, very hard to see, is the number 4, and then even further back it says, or it reads, Lesney, England. Hard to see, but it's in there. Vehicles with a little bit of weight to them typically do much better at speed. The ones with a little bit of junk in the trunk.
Wow!
Let's see what this tractor weighs in at. 0.7 ounces. This is a lightweight.
Oh no!
Please stick with our program because the cars in the 1950s are not performing as well. However, again, with the introduction of Hot Wheels, Matchbox had to step up their game. And then you will see much higher speeds and a few crashes. The results are in on the Massey Harris Tractor with speed 0.6, which equals 38 miles an hour. Not so good. Alignment, not so good. Availability, hard to find in this pristine condition. The design is very good, and the value, $200. That gives this model an art score of 2.7. And stay tuned for my next episode on the double-decker London bus. I didn't skimp. I didn't go for the regular bus. I went for the double-decker. So that means I paid extra.